Do you want to learn how to grow your wealth and secure your financial future? Whether you're just starting or already saving, these 9 methods will help you multiply your savings with time. Let's dive in. The first step to multiplying your savings is to control your spending. Create a budget and track where every dollar goes. This will help you save more over time and avoid unnecessary expenses. The easiest way to save consistently is to automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings or investment accounts. You'll build wealth over time without even thinking about it. Compound interest is your best friend when it comes to growing wealth. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Reinvest your earnings and watch your savings multiply. Low-cost index funds offer an excellent way to grow your wealth over time. They track the overall market, providing consistent returns with low fees. This is a smart and simple way to invest without high risk. Make sure you're taking full advantage of retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. These accounts often come with tax benefits and, in many cases, employer matching, which helps your savings grow faster. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, eats away at your wealth. Focus on paying it off as soon as possible, so you can redirect those funds toward saving and investing. If you want to multiply your savings quickly, consider increasing your income. This can be through side hustles, freelance work, or asking for a raise. Use the additional earnings to fuel your savings growth. Wealth building is a long-term process. Stick to your savings plan and be patient. Consistent saving and investing will lead to significant growth over time. Whenever you earn dividends or returns from your investments, reinvest them. This is one of the simplest ways to let your wealth compound even faster and grow your savings without extra effort. Start with a budget to automate your savings. 3. Take advantage of compound interest for invest in low-cost index funds. 5. Max out retirement accounts. 6. Reduce high-interest debt. 7. Increase your income. 8. Stay consistent and patient. 9. Reinvest dividends and returns. Let's recap the 9 ways to multiply your savings. Budget wisely. Automate savings. Harness compound interest. Invest smartly. Take advantage of retirement accounts. Pay off debt. Increase your income. Stay patient. And reinvest your returns. Remember, wealth is built over time, not overnight. By following these steps, you can steadily multiply your savings and achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial success. Thanks for watching.